So today we'll be making yogurt. I will be needing these two ingredients, water and milk. Then another ingredients I will be needing, actually these three ingredients. We'll be needing yogurt culture. So this is what I have now. We'll be needing culture, milk, and a bowl for it. Let's make this yogurt together. First of all, you add 1 cup of milk. I'm using this particular cup for my measurement because I don't have measurement cup. So is each cup of milk you add equal to each cup of water you add. So this is the water I added. Then this time around I'm going to mix it. Please don't mind my whisk. The thing just part of it just removed while I was trying to make this yogurt, but nevertheless we are going to use it that way. So I have to whisk it very very well in order to mix thoroughly. At this stage, if you have blender, you can go ahead and use your blender to mix it very well, but at the moment I can't use blender because there is no light, the situation of light in Nigeria. So right now I'm going to do everything manually with my hand. So enjoy while I whisk. So we have gotten to the stage where we'll need to add hot water to it. My water already boiled, so I added it using the same measurement, as in the same cup for measurement. So you add the hot water, you still mix it while you wait for it to get ready for you to add your culture. Enjoy while I tell you what to do next. Before you add your culture, endeavor to mix it very well before you add it to avoid lumps. So I added my culture to the same cup and added the mixture of the yogurt to it to mix it before adding it to the yogurt. And as I added it to the yogurt, I also whisk or mix the yogurt again, the yogurt mixture and the culture mixture again, in order for them to align or blend together and give us a consistent batter or mixture. So here I noticed that the bowl I was using was very, very small for it. So I decided to sieve the yogurt into this new bowl. Note, before you add your yogurt or keep your yogurt for it to form, you need to sieve it in order to remove some debris at the bottom of the bowl you used for the mixture. As you can see, there are things under, there are lumps under that doesn't need to enter the yogurt. We need our yogurt very smooth. Then cover it, tie it with a very thick cloth, then keep it in a dark area in your room, or a place where you know that you don't easily access, or you won't access for the whole of that day that you're going to keep the yogurt in there. I did this yogurt in the evening, or after, let me say afternoon the other day, then brought it out in the morning. But the highest you can leave it for is 24 hours, and the least you can leave it for is 8 hours, depending on how you want it to be. You can leave it longer to form better, you can leave it shorter if you're not in a hurry to unveil your result. So let's look at the result of our yogurt. I removed it from the place. I put it, as you can see, in a black bowl and covered it. I brought it out, and guess what, guys? Ooh. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, before then, if you notice on top of the yogurt, you see a liquid, which I'm showing you now. What you need to do is this: instead of doing it this way, you have to get a cheesecloth so that all the yogurt will enter inside. That is when you want to do Greek yogurt, so that it will get more thicker. But if you don't want it more thicker, you can mix it with the water in it. But if you want it more thicker, you have to leave it in a cheese bowl and put it in the fridge for like maybe 1 hour or less. Then get it out to also mix it and get a thicker version of the yogurt you're looking for. But me, I wanted it thick a bit, not totally thick but thick. But if you really want it thick, you will leave it for like 2 hours before you can get it out. As you can see, it's thicker now and has less liquid. So here I decided to add a little bit of honey because I don't want it sour, totally sour. So I wanted something healthy but nice. I added honey to it and it came out really good. Oh my god, it looks like a cheesecake. Well, then it's yogurt. So guys, here is the result of our mixture. It came out so well. You need to try this. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, comment, share, and like this post. Don't just watch, guys. Contribute. Thanks for watching. Bye. Tell me if you will try this in your comments.